Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss if screen time is not working in your iPhone. So how can you fix it? So guys, when you update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, and guys, after this, you may check your screen time is not working. So we can fix it very easily. So simply you make open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on General and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and you may click here on background app refresh, so you may turn this on. After this, here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back again and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of screen time, so you may click here, and here is the option of content and privacy restrictions, so click here, and now you may try to turn this on from here. And after this, in some cases, this you may put password or face id, and after this you may check this will be work properly. So if this is not working properly by all these methods, then guys, you may turn this off, and then you may go back and you may open General again. So click here and you may scroll it down, click here on transfer and reset iPhone, click here on reset and click on reset all settings from here. After this, guys, you may check your phone will be restart, and your screen time will be work properly. So by all this method, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.